Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create this in After Effects. Let's start. Okay guys, welcome back. I will add the project files in my description below, you can check it from there. So firstly let's create a new solid and let's change the color. Let's use dark red and click OK and here. Okay, now select this solid layer and let's rename it to background and let's duplicate it. You can press Ctrl D or you can do it from edit and duplicate, and let's rename it to main. And now go to FX presets and let's search for fractal noise and let's double click it, and now let's change the contrast. Let's make it like this. Okay, this is enough. And now let's open the transform and change the scale. I think this is enough. Okay, and now let's go to FX presets again and let's search for fastbox blur. Let's hold and drop here. Okay, and let's change the blur radius. Let's make it 45 and let's keep it like 2. And now go to FX presets again and search for posterize and let's double click to here. And the last effect that we're gonna use is the find edges and let's double click to it. Okay, it's done. So as you see, it's white, so to fix that let's go to FX presets again and let's search for extract and let's double click to here and let's change it like this. Okay, I think this is good. And now go to FX presets again. Let's search for fill and let's double click to it again and let's make it like this so it will be more realistic. Okay, let's keep it like this and click OK. Alright, and then go to FX presets again. Let's search for simple choker and let's double click to it and let's move it to left a little bit like this. Okay, nice. Now we can start to give animation to it. So for that let's go to fractal noise effect and hold Alt, click to here. Okay, and press enter. Let's write an expression, time multiplied 20 and click here. Okay, now let's see. Okay, this is good, but let's go for a second again and change the scale a little bit. Okay, I think this one is more better. Let's check it. Okay, nice. Now let's close it. And lastly, if you want to change the color of this, go to FX presets and search for fill and let's drag and drag the fill to this background and go to here and change the color. Maybe let's try the green and click OK and go to main and we have to change these settings for that. Okay, this is good. And change the color, let's make it white and go to background again. Let's make it dark green, it will be more better. Nice, let's see. Okay, cool. It looks realistic, a liquid background. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe channel and leave a comment in my video. See you in the next videos.